My name is Joe Briseño, and I'm with the COPE program, and I'm here to discuss the Supporting Father Involvement classes. In 2014, the COPE program established the Supporting Father Involvement program, which is a 16-week program that helps fathers become more engaging in the lives of their children.
Some of our students don't have a biological dad or a dad in their life on a regular basis, but they do have a grandfather, an uncle, a neighbor, somebody who's filling that father role for them. And those father figures are so important in the lives of our students.
It's like with my son now, I generally don't raise my voice. When I tell him something and he gives me one of those answers, I say, okay, Miles, think about it. And, I leave it there.
Where I couldn't do much, there was a negative, and my daughter was reacting. Now that I'm more in the picture and able to do more, she's maturing much more. So it is important for the father to be there.
If anyone's interested in the program, the Supporting Father Involvement program is a very good program that can help fathers who are in need of a support program.